As we head into the fourth quarter, brands are ramping up their marketing efforts to finish the year strong. And with major events on the horizon, like Christmas and Black Friday, the opportunities are huge. Q4 is a golden opportunity to boost visibility, drive engagement, and increase sales. But with so much noise during the festive period, only a smart, strategic digital PR campaign will cut through the clutter. Here are our top tips for planning your Q4 per strategy and making the most of the festive season. Tip 1. Start with a clear objective. Before diving in, ask yourself, what does success look like? Is it increased brand awareness, gain more valuable backlinks, product coverage in high-authority media outlets, or boost your credibility within your industry? Clear goals will shape everything, from your messaging to your media targets to the metrics you measure. Tip 2. Create data-driven or reactive content. Journalists love stories backed by original insights or commentary on trending topics. Tap into customer data, seasonal trends, or fresh research to create attention-grabbing headlines. And remember, you don't always need a full report. Quick stats, expert quotes, and survey results can be just as effective. Tip 3. Don't force the festive angle. Yes, Christmas dominates Q4, but not every story needs tinsel and holiday shopping. Forcing a seasonal hook that doesn't fit can weaken your message. Instead, focus on relevance and authenticity. If your campaign naturally aligns with the season, great. Lean into it. If not, stick to your core narrative. Journalists and readers will always value strong, meaningful content over a tenuous festive tie-in. Tip 4. Plan ahead. Media lead times vary, especially in quarter 4. Gift guides and national features are often planned as early as September. If you want to be included, you need to be prepared. That said, plenty of digital outlets and regional press work to much shorter deadlines, right up until the holiday break. So have a plan for both long lead and quick turnaround opportunities. Tip 5. Don't forget SEO value. Digital PR isn't just about mentions, it's also a powerful SEO tool. A well-executed campaign can generate high-quality backlinks, one of the most important factors for Google rankings. Think of your PR as both a visibility driver and an SEO asset. Make Q4 count. The final quarter of the year offers some of the best opportunities for PR success, if your strategy is smart, timely, and well-executed. Whether you're launching a product, jumping on a trend, or simply boosting your brand presence before year-end, PR Fire is here to help. We offer flexible, pay-as-you-go digital PR solutions, or talk to our team to find the strategy that's right for you. So, are you ready to elevate your Q4 PR campaign? Let's get started today.